How to install ChatGPT on laptop. 3 easy ways: web app, Microsoft Store, and offline into 2026. Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install ChatGPT on your laptop using 3 simple and effective methods. Now, depending on what you prefer, you can install it as an app, use it as a web app, or even install it using an offline installer. So just relax, follow along, and let's take it step by step. Let's start with the first method. Now, this first method is perfect if you like using installer files, or maybe you don't want to depend on the Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open your browser. Then in the search bar, type ChatGPT for PC and add the keyword Uptodown so it shows up quickly. All right, let's open the first result. Good. Now scroll down a bit and click on the blue button that says Get the latest version. This will take you to the download page. On this page, scroll down again and click on the green download button. And just like that, your installer file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation steps on your screen. Take your time here. It's very straightforward. When everything is done, launch the app, sign in to your account, and just like that, ChatGPT is now installed on your laptop. Now let's move to the second method, and honestly, this is the fastest and easiest option. No downloads, no installation stress, just your browser and you're good to go. Go ahead and open your browser, preferably Google Chrome. Now at the top, click on the address bar, type chatgpt.com and press enter. This will take you straight to the ChatGPT homepage. If you're not logged in, go ahead and sign in. I'm already logged in, so let's continue. Now look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on it. A menu will appear. Now slowly scroll down until you see Cast, Save, and Share. Hover over it, and you'll see another menu pop out. Right there, you'll see Install ChatGPT or Install Page as App. Click on it. Now you'll get a small pop-up asking you to confirm. Go ahead and click Install. And just like that, you now have ChatGPT installed as an app on your laptop. You may even see a shortcut icon on your desktop for quick access. Simple, clean, and very convenient. Now let's look at the third method, which is the official and recommended way. Go ahead and open the Microsoft Store on your laptop. Then click on the search bar and type ChatGPT. Make sure you select the official app, then click on Get to start the installation. Give it a moment to download and install. Once it's done, open the app, sign into your account, and now you're using the official ChatGPT application on your laptop. And there you have it, 3 simple ways to install ChatGPT on your laptop. If you want something quick and simple, go with the web app. If you prefer the official route, the Microsoft Store is your best choice. And if you like using installer files, then the up-to-down method works perfectly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple, practical, and powerful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.